Magandang araw sa lahat. Ako nga po pala si Binibining Ani Execal, BS Ed Phil 4 galing sa Section 04. Ngayon po ay ira-rationalize po natin ang Gen 006 bilang 10 hanggang 12. At ngayon po ay simulan na po natin.
The question that we have here in number 10, it is one of sexual division which is intended to stimulate erotic rather than emotional feelings and aesthetic. A. Pornography, B. Bestiality, C. Prostitution, or letter D. Pygmalions. So the correct answer that we have here is letter A. Pornography. So why pornography? It is because when we say intended to stimulate erotic rather than emotional feelings and aesthetic, it is referring to pornography. But when we say sexual intercourse between a person and an animal, it is referring to bestiality. And when we say offering to engage in sexual conduct with another person in return for a fee, it is referring to prostitution. And when we say love for an object of one's own creation, or in another term, object sexuality, it is referring to Pygmalions. So the correct answer here is pornography, letter A. Next, question number 11. All are myths about abortion except A. Abortion causes breast cancer, B. Medical abortion is very painful, C. Abortion is not linked to infertility, or D. Abortion causes long-term emotional problem. The correct answer that we have here is letter C. Abortion is not linked to infertility. So why letter C? Why not letter A, B, and D? It is because the letter A, B, and D are all myths about abortion. So the correct answer is letter C. Abortion is not linked to infertility. Next, question number 12. A legal justification for the use of force in times of danger is available in many jurisdictions. Letter A. Homicide, B. Euthanasia, C. Murder, or D. Self-defense. So the correct answer is letter D. Self-defense. So why self-defense? It is because when we say use of force in times of danger is available in many jurisdictions, it is referring to self-defense. But when we say killing of one person by another, it is referring to the homicide. And when we say other term of mercy killing, it is the euthanasia. And when we say killing of another with intent or with intention, it is called murder. So the correct answer here is letter D, self-defense.